Hello students, welcome once again to my channel. Now we have a question over here which is an algebraic simplification, and then let's quickly look at how we can solve this. This is very simple to solve, so now let's look at the solution. Now with this we have 3x plus 5 minus 2x plus 7. What we can do here is to basically to group items. So we are bringing all the x's onto one side and then the numbers onto the other side. So I have 3x here. Because I have x here, I'll bring that one forward, then write my positive 5 plus 7 here. Now what is 3s minus 2? 3s minus 2 is just x here, and then what is 5 plus 7? And that will give me 12 in this case. So basically the answer here is just s plus 12. Thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this section was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.